Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today you should have started off watching Taslima Maya Art. After Tazzy, we have our very special guest, Janice Pittman with Just Janice. Super amazing artist. Fantastic person. Just love her to pieces. If you haven't checked out her channel, you really need to go check her out. See her mixed media pieces and her steampunk art. It's super cool. She's got some really cool videos, so don't miss out. Go check her out. We're really honored to have you with us, Janice. After Janice, we have Sweet One by Darren Nixon from Venom Fluid Art. After him, you're here with me, Creations by Christy. After me, you have Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. After Shannon, you have Sis or Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. After her, you have the sweet Hippy Dippy Painterman, and sometimes my lovely Sis Cat. Alright, so today I'm going to use my split cup again. I'm kind of addicted, I think. I've got some colors. I'm going to try out putting like the yellow, orange, and red in the first two, and kind of mixing them up, and then the blue, dark blue, and then this ghost blue in these two, and then the middle I'm going to kind of mix them up, and I'm going to go kind of for a fire and ice pour. So I will just turn on some music and I will let you guys watch me fill the cup.
Yeah. Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry. We both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry. Cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. We gave it all we had. It's time to say bye, baby, bye. I'll be, you'll be, yeah, we'll be fine. So let's call it a night, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry. Cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here right now before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. Ooh, hey,
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. a tone. But I don't mind even though I lose control.
Alright guys, I'm back. I've put my pillow paint down, which is it's not, it's Color to Go Sherwin-Williams in white, and I've added a little bit of American Floetrol to consistency. I've spun it out a little bit, as you can see. Here's my cup. I'm going to try going in a straight line with a ribbon pour, and then I think I might do a mirror swipe on each side. We'll see how it goes. Alright, let's see if this will even come out. It's really thick.
Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out, singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out, singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out, singing like. So baby, come and take my hand tonight, and know that everything will be alright when we dance and we fall and we don't care at all. Now we just sing the la 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 la. Sing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out, singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out, singing like. Yeah. I don't wanna be the girl, but I kinda need a word. Well, I'm into you, and all I know, it's been a long time. I was on the sideline waiting for you. We could go to California or anywhere you wanna. As long as I'm with you, I'm alright. And we don't need the drama. We'll find our own nirvana. So run away with me tonight. 'Cause it feels like I'm dreaming when I'm waking up next to you. And my wild heart is beating because it's beating next to you. Let's find something better to hold on to, 'cause we can do anything we want to. And I can't help the feeling that I get when I'm next to you.
just don't get around. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah.
Okay, we are done. We're gonna move it over just a little. I'm gonna pop it up and let you guys, and I'll see if I need to do any more modifications on it, but I think it's pretty cool. All right, so let me pop this baby up. What did I do with my, there it is. Okay. Wipe off the bottom for sure. Oh, okay. I'm sure it's gonna need wiped off pretty good. Okay. Okay. I think I need to, I really want to swipe that, but I'm afraid to now because it's too, it's kind of late. All right, let's put something else up here. Let's see, what did I do with it? Let's just set this up here. Okay. Okay, let's do that a little. I'm try to take it that way just a little. And I'm going to torch it. Okay. All right, let me wipe my hands off. We'll torch it again and see what I got going on here. Okay. 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 Make sure I got the bubbles. I think I got enough, and then maybe do another little one like a ribbon pour or something. So I may just do that. Okay. All right. I'm going to bring you guys down for a close-up. All right, guys, here she is with the light on. I think she turned out really cool. I like the colors, and it was really cool how the ribbon pour, or the split cup actually, you know, did the two sides. So that was really, really convenient. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you this with the light off as well. That way it will, you can see the difference. This just kind of shows the shimmer. And, but I really like it. I think it turned out pretty cool. I'll be right back to show you with the light off. All right, guys, here she is with the light off. I really like it. It turned out super cool. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. Up next is Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art, then Sis Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art, and then the Hippy Dippy Painterman, and maybe Cat. All right, guys, have a great day or a great night. If you missed anyone before me, please go back and watch. Love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.